Hello there and welcome to Christian Aid Cymru. We are about to embark on Christian Aid Week once again, but of course this year it is going to be a very different Christian Aid Week because of the coronavirus. And churches and people across Wales are doing some amazing things in order to raise money for us, but doing it a little differently this year. One of those people, one of those churches is Bethan, and I'm glad to be able to welcome her this morning to talk with me. Bethan, welcome.
Hello, thank you.
Now then, tell us a little about where you come from and about your church.
So I come from St David's Uniting Church in Pontypridd, which has a sister church, which is Castle Square URC in Treforest. And yeah, we're two churches that have come together and have the same minister. So we do lots of social activities together and looking forward to being back together in body, but have remained together in spirit over this time of separation because of coronavirus. That's
so good to hear. So tell me a little bit about the project that you're involved in then to raise money for Christian Aid Week.
So for this Christian Aid Week, because we can't be together in body, what we've decided to do is create a cookbook. So members and friends from both congregations have been sending their recipes and family secrets to us, and I'm then putting them together in one cookbook, and we're hoping to sell that digitally and hard copies for anybody that would like them over Christian Aid Week and in the future if anybody wants them.
That sounds really good. We'll put the links for your email and the Just Giving page so that people can order their own copies of the ebook as well at the end of the video. It sounds really delicious. So what kind of recipes are going to be in this book, Bethan?
So far we've had recipes such as bara brith, we've had a lemon drizzle cake with a difference, there's a sweet potato and chilli soup. We've also had some vegan recipes from our friends in New Zealand. So I think they're nachos, some pasta dishes, ratatouille, sausage casserole. There's something to tickle everybody's taste buds, I think.
That sounds brilliant and a truly international cookbook as well, which is great. So tell me a little why you think raising money for Christian Aid is important for you and the churches you represent.
Well, it's something that we've always done in our churches because we believe in the vision that Christian Aid has in stamping out poverty and seeing poverty come to an end. And it's something that's just inbuilt in our ethos, I think, just making sure that everyone has justice in the world and a fair chance at living. And the projects, we've supported projects in the past and they always seem to grab our attention, things like the cows for the women a couple of years ago, that really inspired us. And the stories from this year are just ones, it just shows that the work that Christian Aid are doing really helps. And it's something that we really feel we need to support in our mission.
Well, that sounds very inspiring, Bethan, and something we really agree with, I'm sure, across Christian Aid and the work that we're able to do together with our supporters and partners, both here and internationally. Thank you so much for joining me today for this chat, and we look forward to hearing how well the book is selling during the weeks to come. Thank you for joining us today, and have a blessed Christian Aid Week when it comes. Thank you. Goodbye.